Hello everyone, this is Sherry with PalletToPalette, and give me just a second. I'm trying to get on the right screen here. Here we go. So what I wanted to go over today was how I put the letters on my dog and cat ornaments for this year. So basically I did this right in Lightburn, and I did it with the tool function called Apply Path to Text. All right, so I'm going to show you how I did this. And you're going to use some of the functionality up here in the right hand corner at the top. So I'm going to get Sylvester back out of there, and excuse me, I'm going to type it again. And then when I choose that text, okay, I'm going to select that. I'm going to hold shift and I'm going to select another path. This time I'm going to do the tail. Okay. And then I'm going to go to Tools up here in the upper left and click Apply Path to Text. Now, what happened is it applied it kind of funky. So I need to click off of it, but click back on it again. So I'm just selecting the text. Then you can manipulate where it is and things like that up here in the upper right-hand corner. You can also change the size of the text by using the height of the height button right here will change the height of the text for you. Now, the horizontal spacing will put spaces in between each letter that you typed so that it fills the whole area. And then the aligning is what we're going to use right now. So if you align the X, there's left, middle, and right. And right is the one that I'm going to want for this one. And I don't think that I can move it over that way. So what I would have to do is come back to the text function. I want to move it over to the left a little bit. So I'm going to add some spaces at the right. Okay. So now it, to me, it looks more centered and it looks like it's in a more natural place. So playing around with what these can do will really help you be able to put names and personalize these things when you're doing the path, the text to path, or path to text, sorry. And the other thing that you can do is when you're aligning on the y-axis, if you use top, it's going to go on the top of the line. If you do middle, it's going to go right through the middle of the line. And if you choose bottom, then it'll be underneath the line. Okay. So I'm not going to do anything. I didn't have this selected, so it didn't change it, but this is where I would want this one. Let's see. Well, let's pause so I can take this phone call.